does Industry 4.0 come about? Industry 4.0 is an evolution. Started with the invention of steam engine and mechanization. This is followed by invention of electricity and mass production, leading to the second industrial revolution. After the industry second revolutions, the introductions of IT, computers and automation lead to the third industry evolution. The third industry evolution basically involves automation, advanced automation, okay, with the use of computers to support the manufacturing sectors. And within the Industry 4.0, we have also seen the use of sensors, embedded assets, sensors, the use of data transfer for the computers to control or supervise control. During the third industry, the Industry 3.0 revolutions, the advancement of computers, we will see a lot of new technology being developed, okay? From connectivity to autonomous robot to augmented reality, and to the latest is the Internet of Things. Within the Industry 3.0 period, the connectivity, the control of computers is happen or takes place within the enterprise itself, okay. But as we move into the next revolutions, the connectivity has expanded not only within the enterprise, but has gone beyond the enterprise. Today, what we see is the introduction of Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, and some sophisticated software leads to the creation of Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? For Industry 4.0 is basically focused on in the manufacturing sector. There are four main elements that create Industry 4.0. The first element is the digitalizations of physical world. In other words, with the advancement of technology and with the advancement of digitalizations, we are able to convert the physical world into the virtual world. That's what we define now as the cyber physical system. In this digitalization process, we have seen machines, human, process, business model is represented in the virtual world. That is the first element. The second element that make Industry 4.0 work is the Internet of Things. With the availability of Internet of Things, machines and human are interconnected and are able to communicate among each other. Okay, that helps transfers of information within a specific domain. The third element is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the transfer of real-time data and stored in servers, bunch of servers located throughout the world, and these data are being analyzed and transferred back into the manufacturing industries, okay, for decision making. And finally, the fourth element is the advancement of computing with the development of advanced sophisticated computer softwares. Computers now are able to assist human and to make decision, okay, in the day-to-day operations of within the manufacturing sector. So with the combination of these four major elements: digitization, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing, created Industry 4.0. We can basically, as a simple example, is basically now the introductions of applications such as Grabs or Uber, okay, where you can see the players, the physical system, the human being, the taxi, the roads or the highways transport being translated in the virtual world. And with IoT or smartphones that can be interconnected, okay, with each other, and data being transferred, okay, from smart computers direct into cloud and being analyzed and being transferred back, okay, into the smartphone, smart device, okay, that enable us basically now to use applications such as Grabs and Uber, okay, for the benefit of for us, the ordinary people on the street. What are the benefits of Industry 4.0? The benefit to us going to be tremendous, okay? Because the applications of the four main elements that I mentioned initially have made us to basically now do shopping, find information, do our own banking, and many more things. As what Jack Ma has mentioned, what will happen in future is beyond imagination. So with the development of technology, we probably may see some more unexpected things, things that we cannot think, okay, will be introduced for us, for the benefit of us. Okay. As I mentioned just now, Industry 4.0 was created in the manufacturing sector, and the manufacturing sector is basically will reap the benefit when it is fully developed. Among the benefit that will be experienced by the manufacturing sector and indirectly will be passed to us as the ordinary world citizens is the increase in productivity of the manufacturing sector will definitely lower costs and will hopefully provide us with more cheaper products. The flexibility of the manufacturing system, where single factory can produce multiple products, can reduce cost of productions, will probably enable us to make orders, to online orders, to meet our specific requirement. Okay, for example, we may want to buy specific products specifically tailor-made to our needs and demand with respect to colors, with respect to size, with respect to whatever things that can be suit to meet our need. It can be produced by the flexibility in the manufacturing system.